Choppers Darts Road Test. Hey! Welcome, episode number 2, Choppers Darts Road Test. Up today, throwing 15 at the board, is Boudicca by Shot. Another beautiful looking dart. Let's see if it shoots as well as it looks. Again. Actually the first time I've ever thrown these darts. Did a video just to show them off a little bit, but they've been sat on the shelf just looking pretty. Let's see if we can do them justice. Not gonna lie, that first one was a bit lucky, wasn't it? A bit fluky double tops, but feel good, release well, nice balance on them. Watch me hit 26 now. I did think that was going to be a 26 then. Still feel good. There we go. Oh, that bounced just the wrong side there. Okay. Deflection actually worked in my favour. Oh! So close. Right then, so there we are. Boudicca. She flies as good as she looks. Beautiful. Now, Harrow's Oracle yesterday, 313, drum roll, Boudicca, 406. Oh, she a queen, all right.